really hope it doesn't rain, because last time I put my phone in my tank bag. Oh, that cloud does not look good, man. There's a big old cloud. Ah! Oh, motherfucker. Ow! Holy crap, this hurts. Well, ow. What's going on, everybody? Let's go ahead and get this thing cranked. I'm running behind. Look at this. My lights and everything else is so dirty, man. I'm gonna give this thing a good wash this weekend. She's gotten really dirty over the past week. She needs it. She needs it. It's really froggy. Man, it's also really, really chilly this morning. Anyways, what's going on, everybody? How we all doing? It's really froggy. Foggy morning, cold morning. I could already tell you I am going to be shivering. Absolutely shivering by the time I get up there. I think it's only like 60 degrees this morning or something like that. It cooled off pretty good. Yesterday it got really, really hot. I got way overheated yesterday on the way home. I actually got sick, like really sick. I was super dehydrated. Even though I drank a ton of water, I got super duper dehydrated. I'm still wearing my work gloves. Yep, still wearing my work gloves because my other ones are still soaking wet from yesterday. I should have put them in the dryer or washed them or something, but they're kind of starting to fall apart. So I really should like get a new pair. Oh man, it is so cold. I am super duper tired this morning, man. It's only Thursday. I'm ready for the weekend, to be honest with you. Ready for the weekend. I've kind of just come to the conclusion that, daggum, man. Whew. I had a heart attack. I forgot what I was saying. Holy. I looked like a buck, too. It was a big old boy. I've kind of just come to the conclusion that this helmet is just a noisy helmet. I did a little bit of research on it, and apparently everybody has the same issues that I have with this helmet. And it's kind of just like so bad that it is worse than an MX like open face helmet. So you can kind of hear it on the microphone. I mean, it's pretty loud, the wind noise. The wind noise is pretty loud on this helmet. Man, this road sucks. I also noticed something on the camera. I think whenever I changed to 60 FPS via from what you guys requested, Rocksteady, I think it's just Rocksteady, the first version of it, is not very steady. You can see all the little bumps that I hit, which I find very funny. I need to order a oil filter. This guy is literally... That is so wild, bro. He was on the other side of the road. What in the world are you doing, dude? Around a blind corner, you're gonna kill someone. I don't care if you're in a semi or not, dude. You're gonna kill someone going up this mountain. People fly through here. Nope, there's a chlorine spot. Charging my earpods. I forgot to do so last night. I always say earpods, but they're actually AirPods. Oh yeah, like I was saying, this helmet is just naturally loud. So, did a few research options, and there's a couple of fixes you could do with this helmet. DIY fixes, I guess. But I think once my MX helmet gets fixed and the stuff on the chin mount cures up, I'm probably going to swap back to it. I might take my Cardo off of that helmet. I kind of find Cardo a severe... Cardo is more designed for like street bikes and like street bike helmets and stuff like that, but Cardo kind of sucks for moto helmets. And to be honest with you, I like wearing... The speakers touch like right up against my ears, and I like wearing AirPods, whatever, inside my helmet because they work both as number one, directions, number two, music, and number three, they work as a noise limiter, I guess you'd say, or like earplugs, because they have that feature that naturally lowers the ambient noise, and they work really good, dude. I've wore my AirPods on multiple job sites where I can't see nothing right now. There we go. I can see again. Oh yeah, they have that feature that naturally lowers the ambient sound, and I've worn them at multiple job sites where they had extremely loud equipment, and they work so good, to the point where if you turn on noise canceling, you can't even hear it. I have to keep flipping the visor up because of the fog. Which I've been meaning to get earplugs anyways for this bike because it's so loud. It's just loud enough that after more than 30 minutes of riding, your ears kind of start to ring. And I already have tinnitus or tinnitus or however you pronounce it. Or my ears just constantly ring anyways. And that's from years of being dumb and riding loud things, shooting guns without ear protection, and construction work, everything else, and it has messed up my hearing really bad. Loud music too, lots of loud music. Get away from the mustard. I'll tell you one thing, I'm not ready for the winter season, man. I gotta find some winter gear, or not winter gear, but heated gear. There you go. That's what I was trying to say. Gotta find some heated gear because I plan on riding year round. I'm gonna try at least. We'll see. I don't do cold very well. I could pick up a pair of those insulated bibs that like snowboarders or called? Snow ski, whatever. But they wear those. I don't know much about them. I know that some of them are, or a lot of them are two-stroke, but we don't get enough snow down here to even have the opportunity to use them. This guy, dude, turn your brights off. What the heck are you doing? You know, after 4,000 miles, I've just kind of come to the conclusion that this bike has a ton of clutch hang if you're shifting it like a race bike. If you're trying to row through the gears in this thing, it's just, you can definitely tell the clutch hangs. Even if you let off the throttle, just because the RPM is so high. Sadly, since it's been so hot, I haven't been able to do any good trips. But out of the 4,000 miles, this bike has served me good. Whenever it gets back down to or once it gets into like fall, I'll start doing camping trips again. Whenever it starts cooling down during the day is whenever we'll get back to that. The song is so long, dude. That's why it's from Bring Me the Horizon. I just want something with just a little bit more power, man. My biggest gripe about the CRF300L is not even that it has not that much power. It's more of, I don't like how it tops out. For me on the bike, it tops out at like 65. If I'm running about 70, it sounds like the bike is about to like go kaboom. I just wish that this bike could run like 70 miles an hour comfortably, but it can't, so. I like chicken poo-poo. Not the chicken poo-poo. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to have my visor up. I can't see. Sorry guys, you're gonna have to deal with a little bit of wind noise. But I'm not going over a mountain where I can't see. That's a disaster waiting to happen. Especially around these curves. You can see all the fog, man. Ooh. I leaned a little too hard. Ouch. Alright. I'll see you guys once we get out of here. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Man, it's such a hot day. I really hope it doesn't rain, because last time I put my phone in my tank bag, it overheated. And I'd rather not do that on a brand new phone, because it actually kills the battery. Ow! Oh, I just got hit straight dead square in the knee by a rock. And it's in my bad knee too, man. Ow. Man, I'm just so fried. Absolutely fried from today. And it's only Thursday, man. I still got one more day of this. Ready for the weekend. Oh, that cloud does not look good, man. Dude, someone smells like straight sewage, brother. There's a big old cloud. Ouch. I just touched my leg to that exhaust pipe and it was really hot. And it's getting really dark. Oh, it scared me. I forgot I had my earbuds in. And Siri just jump scared me. Uh-oh. Oh no. Ah! Oh, mother. Ow! Holy crap, this hurts. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, whoops. Well, ow. Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you've enjoyed this type of content, I've posted a playlist over here. Check it out. And as always, stay wild, stay grounded, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next video.